up, everybody? This is a unboxing from the live video I did a couple days ago. So if you already saw that live video, this is just a cut down version of me unboxing it. So if you haven't seen that video, as you can see, this is the Ecovacs Deebot Omni X1. Pretty excited for this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll probably have to put this on the ground because it's so freaking huge. Yeah, this thing is, I'm going to put this on the ground and then I'll pull up each piece because this thing is just a monster. I'll try to show you what I see. Of course, this is going to be the robot vacuum up top. And then the gigantic, I'll set this down. Holy cow. This is by far the biggest base. Like, by far. This is going to be much taller than the Roborock's. But I think it's a cool looking base. What do you guys think? Alright. Guess let's check out the base first. As you can see, it's humongous. Of course, you have the dirty water tank, the clean water tank. I'll try to go through and answer some of these questions in a little bit. There's just some protection for shipping. Now this is a cool thing that none of the other ones have, and that's a little, kind of like a slide box that has extra, the mopping pads, and they are washable, as well as a scrub brush to clean like your dirty water tank and stuff. So it's pretty cool that's included, and it just fits right in here, stows away, and I think that's a pretty nice touch. What do you guys think? Here's the quick start guide on the top. Pretty simple. Oh, looks like there's not sure what that's getting caught on. Let's take a look. Oh, might help to remove the other protection. Pretty nice there. There is the back of it. It does have like a carrying handle, which is nice. And of course it has a cord wrap. Definitely need the handle for this guy. It is huge, and honestly it's quite heavy. Let's check out the spot where it sucks out all the debris. Little hidden button at the bottom that you push, this pops out. and your bag is inside. So pretty cool. Nothing really here. I wonder if they could have done something as far as space saving, but this is probably where they have like the vacuum motor and all that. So good sized bag. I like that it's just a drawer and it kind of just hides away. I'll show you more of this when I do the full review, or in some of the other videos where I test everything out. Definitely a cool looking robot for sure. I mean, base. What do you guys like better, this or the Roborock S7's base? Max D Ultras. Go ahead and check out the robot itself. Of course, you get the spinning mop modules. This is what you click into the bottom of the robot itself. It is usually magnetic, 2 of those. And then as you remember, there's 2 extra pads in the base. You get a right and a left side brush. So as you can see, this has the dual side brush. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the dual or the single side brush on your robots. Here is the power cord for the base station, of course. User manual. 1 extra bag. Would have been nice if they would have given you 2 extra, especially for the cost of, really they should have given you 5 extra for the cost of this, but nonetheless it does come with 1 extra one, which is good. And then the robot vacuum itself, of course. And it looks like that is all that's in the box. Now let's check out the robot. Good looking robot. I like the silver and black. Of course, the dome on the top clicks and moves so it won't get stuck underneath your furniture. Protection. And what's very unique about this compared to the other, or pretty much any other robot vacuum, usually there's a flap you lift up to get to the dirt bed. This is all just magnetic and the entire top plate comes off. So some people send out their vacuums and the top plate gets really scuffed up and they don't like that, so you can actually just replace this very easily and it's all just held on by magnets, which is cool. So I like that. Here is the dirt bin. I'll let you know in the review what size it is, but I can tell it's very, very small. But since it self-empties, that's kind of okay. Let's see how the side door opens. So it does have a metal mesh, and then a little filter here. So it is kind of like a triple filter system. And I like the mesh because it makes this filter stay clean, and it's much easier to clean inside your dirt bin as well. So very, very small bin, but we'll see how that works in some of my testing. Let's check out the bottom of it. Similar to most robot vacuums, kind of has the roller brush in between the wheels. I wish they would have done a bigger one on the front, kind of like the W10 by DreamTech. I really like that feature. It's almost as big as the Roomba S9 Plus. Let's see. Let's throw on the color-coded side brushes. Got the green, should pop right in. And then the red. And then once again, the mopping attachment should just be magnetic. You literally just drop it in. And it's ready to go. Once I charge this up, fill up the water tanks, this guy's ready to clean. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. I really hope it's some good competition for that Roborock. As of right now, the Roborock is probably my top tier robot. Can this one beat it? It's possible. I might actually like these spinning mopping pads better than Roborock's just flat pad that vibrates. I still have a lot of testing to do, and I'll do some tests where I put down actual stains and stuff and see which one truly does better. But really hoping the software on this is good, and I hope I say at least it's a tie, or this one might be better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think this has even a chance to be better than the brand new Roborock SV Max Ultra? SV Max Ultra? Yeah. Alright, let me go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and learned a little bit. I will be doing a lot more videos on this, so if you're interested in this, once again, please like and subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll be one of the first ones to see the new video. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys soon.